Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be making the cribbage board for the XS Tech. You can see here in the preview, we have our uh, board being milled out. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get this created on our Aspire. Let's get started. So we're going to start by creating a new document. The width of this document is going to be 9.5 by 3.5 by 0.75. The Z0 position will be material surface, and make sure that there is no XY datum selected. Go ahead, hit OK. Now we need to bring in our file. For that, we're going to go to Google Classroom. You'll see here I have the cribbage board DXF. Make sure in order to download this, you go to Open in New Tab. This will give you the ability to download it. So I can hit Download now. Okay, so going back to Aspire, we're going to import that file I just downloaded. So we're going to go Import Vectors, go to our downloads. We're going to bring in the file. Now we need to center it. So with it selected, okay, I know it's selected because it's pink. So with it selected, I'm going to go to Alignment Tools and hit this button here. That's going to align my project. Okay, so the next thing I want to do here, I'm going to close this window. Okay, I'm going to go over to my toolpaths, set that in. Okay, and we're going to do our pocket first. So I can select everything, and holding Shift, I'm going to deselect the outline. Okay, now I'm going to go up to my pocket toolpath here. We are going to be using the 2mm. If you had 4 selected, what you would do is select it and hit remove, and then hit select, and then go and select the 2mm. So for the 2mm, these speeds look good. Okay, 40-inch feed rate, or 60-inch feed rate, 40-inch plunge rate. Make sure that it is tool 2mm. Hit select. Our cut depth, we're not going super deep here because, to be honest, the pegs only go in a certain depth, before the pegs are tapered, so they only can go in so far. So we're going to go 0.4. Okay, scroll down and hit calculate. It's going to take a minute because there's a lot of holes. See here our toolpaths. I'm going to hit play. Okay, and it went and cut those out. Okay, so I'm going to hit close here. I'm going to hit this arrange views so I can see both of them. Now I'm going to select just the border. We're going to be doing a profile here. We only want to go down a little bit because we're actually going to only use this as a guide because we're actually going to cut this out on our table saw. Sorry, not our table saw, our bandsaw. Now, before this will be an option if you want to cut this out or if you just want to leave it rectangular. Okay, so if you just want to leave it rectangular, you won't code this next part or program this next part. But if you do want to cut this out, we're just going to do it just enough so that we can use it as a marker. So when we're cutting on the bandsaw, we can see it. So I'm only going to go down 0.15. Okay. Again, I'm going to just keep it with the 2mm end mill. We don't have to do a tool change. I'm just going to do 2 light passes just so we can see it. Go down and hit calculate. And if I hit preview here, we can see it's just going to go down just a little bit. The reason I'm not going all the way through, especially with a 2mm end mill, first of all, the 2mm we have, the cutter length of cutter is not long enough, and 2, we just have not been having good luck with cutting out our parts. So we're only going to go down that far. So now I can select my toolpaths. Okay, hit save. Visible toolpaths to one file, path pilot, and now I'm going to save on my USB. So go ahead and hit save. There you go, folks. Go ahead and machine this out on your XS Tech.